जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो आप समझेंगे कि इसका टाइटल इनकार क्यों है, क्योंकि दोनों जो हैं किरदार इसमें, जो चित्रांगदा का है और जो मेरा है, वो दोनों कहीं ना कहीं किसी चीज़ को इनकार कर रहे हैं। वो क्या चीज़ है वो आपको क्लाइमैक्स में पता चलेगा। आई हैव नेवर बीन सेक्सुअली हरास्ड एंड आई हैव नेवर हरास्ड एनीबॉडी, सो या ओनली इन दिस मूवी।
I think it's best to crack a joke about it. You know, that's what works mostly. Or you ignore it and yeah, or start another serious kind of a conversation. So what do you think about the political, you know, something like that? Yeah, but usually I think if you just probably laugh about it, it works.
But see, when you laugh about it also, it could send the wrong sign. You know?
आदमी का क्या करे? क्या करे बताओ?
Like, I just feel, you know, all of us, men definitely have to be a little more sensitive towards a woman because what is sexual harassment that I think Sudhir kind of shows you that it is so ambiguous, you know, that it is like such a fine line between what is the dividing lines where a girl thinks that you're flirting and the flirting is healthy, and when does it get unhealthy? I think it gets unhealthy when the girl gets uncomfortable somewhere. And I think a man needs to see those signs.
A lot of times the men suffer because sometimes women probably just take it to another level or stretch it too much, you know. I think sometimes it's healthy flirting and that's what you should take it and not overreact to it. I agree. Yeah, no, I'm just saying till the time you really start to feel uncomfortable, then you really need to tell the man that, you know, this is it. Unless you can handle it in other ways and yeah.
See, I would say that the research that we've done, okay, 60% of sexual harassment cases that have also occurred, you find that the couple was either in a relationship or there was something going on between them earlier. Okay, so obviously there could be something to do with spite, you know. So it's a double-edged sword. Both can get cut in it badly. How, who does what, you know, you don't know. I was not just not in our industry. I think any relationship, when ego comes in the way, and this film is a lot about that as well, you know, when ego comes in the way of your relationship, then that relationship is really going to suffer. It really takes a beating because finally ego is a very, you know, selfish, you know, terrible enemy. It's your biggest enemy is your own ego. There is Katrina,
so that's also thanks to
there's Deepika, there's Chitrangada, you know, they all are very sexy.